Hey everyone, Tanya B here and welcome to my channel. I'm going to apologize ahead of time. I am sick. I've been sick for a couple days, but I really wanted to get some unboxings done and up on my channel, so please just bear with me. If you are new to my channel, I am Tanya B. I do mainly unboxings, first impressions, reviews, empties, and we'll be getting into cooking with Tanya B with the new year. Today we are going to be doing my Ipsy bag and add-ons for December 2019. So if you are interested in that, please stay with me. All right, so because I'm not feeling good, I am gonna get through this pretty quickly. I will start with my add-ons. For those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a $12 a month subscription and it comes with 5 deluxe items. You can do add-ons each month. There are $3 add-ons and $12 add-ons. So my first add-on is the Tarte Stay Spray. And this was a $12 add-on because it's a full-size item. And it is a makeup setting spray. I have been wanting to try this. I want to say it retails for $28 at Ulta. So $12 is a really good deal, more than 50% off. And yep, definitely something I need to stock up on. And then I got two quote-unquote deluxe size items. One is the Purely's BB Cream with SPF 30. I have gotten this in an Ipsy bag before and I liked it. I just like to throw these in my purse so I don't have like a full foundation in my purse if I need to touch up my makeup on the go. And I got a double-sided brush from Crown Brushes. Let me take it out of the package. I love getting brushes for $3. I always feel like it's a good deal. So this is what it looks like. It's a rose gold. It has this on one end and then the blending on the other. Again, something great for your purse so you don't have to be throwing a ton of makeup brushes in there. So yes, I love that. All right, and now the bag. So this month, everything was in my actual bag. This is the bag, silver with a little black tassel tag. All right, and let's see what we got. First thing up is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. And this is in the shade Party Dress. Let's see. I'm pretty good on blush. I'm very particular on the blush shades that I use just because my face is always so pink. Yeah, no way I will be using this. So this is going to go into my giveaway, which I'm going to be doing very soon. As soon as I film it, I have a big box of empties next to me, and I'm going to be doing empties and my 100 subscriber / holiday time giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Next up is by Nail Medic, and this is their lemongrass and biotin infused nail polish in the shade Mauve or Nice. Color, and I do really like that. I don't really have mauve nail polish, so that will definitely go to use. There's a little card in here. Oh yes, I mean the card. Except this card doesn't actually tell you anything that's in the bag. There is some hair designs and ringing the new year. So yeah, no information on the card about what I got in my bag, so that's different. Next up is the Juliet Has a Gun perfume. Now I've gotten this in like 10 subscription boxes. I really literally probably have 10 of these. So yeah, I mean, I don't hate the scent, but it's not my go-to scent, so not my favorite thing. Next up is by Hey Honey and is the Look Into My Eyes Retinol Eye Mask. I'm a big fan of this brand, so I am excited to give this a try. It's a leave-on absorbing treatment, so I guess you probably just put it under your eyes and leave it there. So yeah, I like that. And then the last thing is the item that I picked, and is by Beauty For Real. It's their Starlust Lip Gloss. Is there a shade name? Maybe it is just Starlust. I did actually think this was a full-size item, which is why I picked it. because sometimes they do send you full-size lip glosses, but it's not. It's just a mini. But again, something else super cute for my purse. So that is everything for my Ipsy bag for December 2019. What did you think? Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you got in your bag. Let me know what you think about the items in my bag. Please click my bobblehead above to subscribe. It really helps me out. And you need to subscribe anyway for my future giveaways. And give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.